this time, just going upstairs to get a fruit. Okay. There is office. You can get any fruit you want. Kung unsa ka sa table. So. That right there is the big boss here. So that's how polite they are. So it's 2 p.m. and time to eat my back on. This is the background view. Lunchtime, and usually pag lunchtime mag-walking go around the building. At this time we will be going to the boardwalk, and I'm going to show you what's in there. So this is the Loyalist Circle, and there's a better view of the street there. This brown or maroon thing, this is Market Square. This one is, it's just an ordinary rock, but they said that this is the landing of the Loyalist. So yeah, it's the monument for the landing of the Loyalist. And this is a moose. This is like made by Moosehead. So Moosehead is a Canadian beer company. It's like Red Horse or San Miguel in the Philippines. They're busy with the preparation right now. They're doing preparation for the Canada Day. So this one is the Market Square entrance. This is the Market Square Lighthouse. There's the other one there. This is the Hilton Hotel. So, just got out of the office, and it's a bit windy today. It's 9 degrees. It's cold, and I need to go somewhere else first because I need to buy some stuff, and after that I will be going home. I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. A day with me in ordinary day with me here in Saint John.